Charlo's house, and Edwin fell asleep. Yeah.
Let him sleep, died, huh? Alright, how do I stop this?